Hey everybody, Scott here, bolted on. We're going to show you how to load a dirt bike and a mountain bike into our new bicycle slash dirt bike pro combo wheel chock system. You roll the bike in, put your straps up. When you're hauling a dirt bike, you can rotate the bicycle clamp down or up. It's strictly preference. Let's get the e-bike now. Put your bikes up side by side. Putting them in backwards is easier, so you can turn the handlebars and line them up that way. You loosen the knobs, you pull the bicycle clamp over the top, put a little bit of pressure on it, tighten the knobs, and put the safety strap on. You're good to go.